Hello guys, welcome to another section of our data analysis tutorial. And this time around, we are still on the DSUM function. That is a database function in Excel. The function of this particular formula, that is the DSUM, um, is to give out sum or is to come out with a summation based on what criteria. Okay, so we want to sum as we did previously. So the summation is for only rent, and we are going to build upon this sum function. Okay, all right. So today's tutorial is going to focus on you are going to combine, or we are going to combine other fields to the rent. That is sum using the n function. We have sum using the or function. So I'm going to explain the n function over here. So currently, what we have over here is just one criteria, that is what rent. We are going to add other fields to that. So we are saying that, okay, so category rent, and we're able to get a sum for this. So let's say we want to add another what field to it. So we have division, we have this, we have that, we have that. So I'm going to add another field to it, and that will be what division. Then make sure that the spelling that you have over here is the same thing that we have over here. So you have division, division. Okay. All right. Now we are also going to say that, okay, so the rent that you see over here, or the summation that you see over here, sums all rent values for individual division. So we have East, all rent in East, all rent for North. Then we have that for West. Then we have that for what? South, if there is any. So we have South rent over here. Then we have North rent over here. So that is the total that we are seeing over here. Okay. All right. Now this time around, we are adding another field that is division, and we want to be specific. So that is how you can add, or you can implement the end keyword or the end feature with respect to the DSUM function. Okay, so we are saying that we only want rent, total rent for this particular field with respect to what? East. Okay, so we have EAST. All right, now we are supposed to change our formula, a particular aspect. So let's click on that. So that is our formula. And let me highlight the entire of this. Let me change this one to yellow. Let me change this one to okay, this color will be okay. Good. So you want to find a sum for criteria, that is what rent, which is under the category field. And we want to be more specific, that is only pertaining to what? East, under the field for what? Division. Okay. All right. So we click on this. Okay. All right. So that is the criteria. You are not going to change this. We are looking for the total sales. So the database is from A1 to F59, captures all the elements or all the values that we have over here. Then the six that you see over here, as I told you earlier on, you can erase this six and you can type this over here. That is the where you want the summation to be picked from. You should be picked from what? Total what? Sales. So you can just go ahead and type total sales over here, but it must be in what? Double what? Quotation. Or you can just remove the six and you can hit on the cell name, that is what? Total what? Sales. Now we move to the criteria, and this is where we are going to do the changes. Okay, so we can just erase this one. We are saying that from that is H9 to I what? That is I10. So you can erase the entire of this. Then you can, all right. So we have H9 all the way to I10. Yeah, to find the total sales for what rent with respect to what east. So we hit on OK. And what do we have over here? 2400, 24000. Let's go and check that. Oh, yeah, we have rent over here. We have 24000. Okay, you can add more field. Let's say, okay, we have not over here. So NORCH. So we have NORCH. You make sure that the spellings, everything is what correct. Okay, so NORCH, that will be for what rent. Let's say you're adding something. So you can say that, okay, you want a summation for rent for east and north. You want that for what? Copying, or you want that for what? Contractors. You can do that. So we have 2400 adding up to telemarketing. 2150 is what? Technical support. Okay, we can add that to telemarketing. We can add that to telephone. So let's say we have telephone. Telephone. Yeah, telephone. So let's change this color. See, all right. Okay. So you want the total sales for rent and telephone. However, the values should only be for north and that of what east. All right. So we have 2400 should be added to, yeah, telephone, not. Oh, we say not. Okay, so telephone this side. Okay, should be added to 27I0. Oh, okay. Yeah, so we're expecting this. We're expecting this. All right. The 2600 was that of what? East. Okay. So let's just add not over here. So telephone, we have 2400 to be added to 2780. Okay. We change this. Just erase this one. Then we have the machine, and then we have 26780. Oh, fantastic. So there's a summation of rent for East that is 242400. Then 24000. Then we have that for North, that is telephone. Oh, not telephone, we have 2780. 27 what is that? Okay, 2780. Okay, so let's check our answer. And what do we have over here? So 26780, 26780. So perfect, everything is correct. So this is DSUM and trying to combine criteria, like you have this and you are adding another one to it. So DSUM using AND. So let's say DSUM with AND. Yeah, that's what we have. All right, guys, so you can try this, you can try this, you can try this. Okay. So thanks for watching this tutorial, and we're moving on to the next one. That is, we have the average, and we are going to explore more functions. Okay, so don't just watch this video, go ahead and hit on the subscribe button, notification, and like the video as well. Thank you, guys.